Galatians 5, from verse 25. It is since we live by the Spirit, let us keep in step with the Spirit. Let us not become conceited, provoking and envying each other. Amen. I think what's the depth of it, since we live in the Spirit, let us keep in step with the Spirit. I think what it means with the Spirit is at some level. Amen. And what we need to ensure that we keep up with this level. Amen. Amen. Let us keep in step with the Spirit. Amen. Should have a me. Amen. Should have a me. Amen. And amen. We need to keep in step with the Spirit. Consume isn't it? When I show what I see Spirit. Amen. And I see Spirit. But you know, but at the end of the day, the only thing we should not see generation I'm a trends see generation amen. Let's keep up with and a she Spirit. Keep up. Amen. Amen. You need to consume easy to answer when the show. What I'm going to do amen. Amen. Ngoba zikhona zonke izinto amen besingasala kuzona. Mhlawumbe ungafila ngazathi you're left out. Kodwa mangabe bazalwana uselela. There's a lot you're losing. Amen. So in conclusion, keep up with the Spirit. I gotta see. Go back the term keep up. Means this is a revolution. Amen. It means this is moving forward. Amen. And if you are not keeping up, that's why keep up with the Spirit.